युवा शक्ती कार्ड गोंयांक एकठांय बांदपाक मदत करतले. तरणाट्यांक तांच्या घराब्याकडेन आनी गोंयच्या मुळाकडेन येवपाक मदत करतले म्हण तृणमूल काँग्रेस फुडारी ॲडव्होकेट सियोला वाज उलयला. RDX Corp Bureau Report.
I'm Advocate Siyola Vaz from Fatorda. Regarding the scheme today which has been announced by my party Trinamool Congress and its MGP, its alliance. We are very proud that youth might just finally get something worthwhile out of a government. We have seen that it has been very difficult for youth to climb. One of the greatest misfortunes of Goan youth is that despite having such amount of education and despite being so talented, so intelligent, we are not able to fulfill and we are not able to reach our optimal efficiency. We are not able to fructify our dreams. This is all because we do not have cash in our pockets, we do not have help. With this scheme, we might be able to get a loan which will help us, which will help entrepreneurs, which will help students, which will help us skill up. This is the right kind of empowerment I was waiting for. I know that our youngsters, they leave, they go to Bombay, they go to UK, they go to Dubai. I'll ask them, why do you want to not live with your families? Today with this scheme, when we form government, I invite you, come back. Let us have a reverse migration. Come back, live with your families and help us build Goa together because we are going to help you with this scheme. Thank you.